it's Nicola here from A Handcrafted Business. I have another package to open. I've been spoiling myself recently. There's a story behind this one though, but look, I'm wearing my necklace from Oink design. It was beautiful packaging, really simple, nothing expensive, but really worked and had an impact. So if you want to see that, go and have a look. So this is a much bigger box. This is a different kind of product. It's got to be really carefully packaged. It's how it's delivered, so it stays in one place. It's really important. So I'll give you a little bit of a sneak in the top so you can start just to see. Oh, I like this. So the note says, Nicola, your flowers have arrived. Oh, yes. Any issues, let me know. They've had a UV spray, but it's best to avoid direct sunlight to keep their colours. I no longer stock plastic wrap, so I hope you're able to avoid heavy rain or find an alternative if you need to leave one outside. Now that's because I shared my story. So let me tell you about my story. So I've started going on daily walks, and I'm really pleased to say that I'm keeping that habit up, and it's been 26 days now. So the other day I was chatting to a lady who I've never met before, and she was telling me the story about how she kept seeing poppies everywhere, and then she started doing something and realized that's what the poppies have been symbolizing for her. And she's now 81, and poppies mean an awful lot to her. And I thought how lovely it would be to be able I've just taken out the just lifted off some of the packaging and see exactly what I'm getting. So I thought how lovely it would be to actually be able to leave her a poppy, because she was actually tending the grave of her granddaughter and her husband, who died just before COVID. So I asked Sherry, the fabulous Sherry from Eternal Posey, if she could make me a couple of poppies. Because I wanted to keep one for myself. I think that one's got a little bit squashed in transit. That could be me as I've opened up the package. But let's have a look at this one. So this one, isn't it beautiful? Look at that. So it's got its own little packaging. Got a little label, so we know handmade by Eternal Posey. And it just looks absolutely beautiful. It's on the verge of being a real poppy. And the best part is I know that Sherry sprays these. So I do know that from the UV rays and also from light rain, it should just about be okay, even though it's made from paper. But how beautiful is that? So even though the packaging is there because it's functional, it's not designed to be pretty like we did with receiving the necklace. It's just a much more functional. We've got some bubble wrap, but a limited amount of bubble wrap, because I know well, we all know how important it is to look after the environment, and also some tissue paper just to separate and to keep them safe. But then they aren't, I really wasn't sure how it was going to arrive. I just asked for a poppy. It's as simple as that. So to have it as its own little miniature bouquet, well, both of them, because one of them's mine, is absolutely stunning. And I just want, if I can just show you, I don't know if you can see with the lights, I can't see if I can show you the detail, but each in there you can see, look, the detail that is in there. There's even the colour in the centre. I can't show you very easily, but it is just the absolute perfect poppy. I'm over the moon. Thank you so much, Sherry, Eternal Posey. It's been absolutely wonderful. Now I just need to find a way to package them up to make it a really great experience for me to be able to leave for this lady. I'm going to say for a poppy. You've inspired me, basically, she says. I don't know how I'm going to word it. I'll come up with something, but it's to a poppy. It's just, she was just inspirational. So that's what I wanted to do. So it's a nice little touch. She probably won't even barely remember. No, she said I'd made her day at the time because we actually stopped and had a chat. And obviously at the moment with COVID, that it's hard to connect with anyone. So hopefully she'll appreciate that. And I certainly appreciate it from Sherry. So thank you very much. Hopefully you've not only made me happy, but you've made a lovely lady happy as well. Thank you. It's the ripple effect of handmade. It's amazing. Speak to you soon. Bye.